Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook for beginners. First, let's cover some essential kitchen safety. Always wash your hands thoroughly before handling food and use oven mitts when dealing with hot items. Before you even start, gather all your ingredients and necessary tools. This is called mise en place, and it saves a lot of time and stress. Finally, read your chosen recipe completely from start to finish. This helps you understand the steps and anticipate any challenges. Now let's talk about some must-have kitchen essentials. A good, sharp chef's knife and a sturdy cutting board are your best friends for preparing ingredients. For your pantry, stock up on basics like salt, black pepper, olive oil, and fresh garlic. They form the foundation of many dishes. Don't forget measuring cups and spoons. Precise measurements are crucial, especially when you are just starting out. These tools will set you up for success. Next, let's explore a few fundamental cooking techniques. Sautéing is a quick method where you cook food in a little fat over medium-high heat, perfect for vegetables or small pieces of meat. Roasting, on the other hand, uses dry heat in your oven, typically around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, to cook food thoroughly and create delicious browning. Boiling is straightforward. Simply immerse food in rapidly bubbling water until it's cooked through. Great for pasta or potatoes. Finally, let's get you cooking. Begin with straightforward recipes like a one-pan roasted chicken and vegetables or a simple pasta with marinara sauce. As you cook, remember to taste your food frequently and adjust seasonings. A pinch more salt or a dash of herbs can make a big difference. Don't be shy about experimenting with different spices and fresh ingredients to discover what you enjoy most. Happy cooking!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.